Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix we are experiencing difficulties come back later in Amazon Music. So if you see that message in your app, it usually means a connection, account or server issue. So actually guys, at first you will need to check your internet because that's the most common. So you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data at first and turn the option that you can see at the top of my screen, the airplane mode, on, then off, and try faster and disable network if possible. So this error often appears when the app can't reach Amazon servers. Also, I do really advise you to restart the app. So to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app, so that way you will force close Amazon Music and then just restart your phone and open the app again. Also, we do really want to turn off the VPN, and that's very important. So if you're using a VPN, just go ahead and disable it, so Amazon Music may block or fail with certain regions. Also, you can sign out and sign back again, and to do that you will need to go and tap on the profile icon that's located at the top left corner and then go with my profile. You can find that option inside my profile in some versions, and also you can find that on the latest version on the settings. It's the third last option, so just tap on it, swipe all the way down, and then just tap on sign out, the last option, and then sign back in. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.